Today's cryptic crossword clue is rats rolling in mud splatter it over dogs. And this clue could have been harder. It comes to us from one of our members, El Cameron. Thank you, El Cameron. It could have been harder because it could have used substitutions. The wordplay in this clue is rats rolling in mud, and the definition is splatter it over dogs, question mark. Slightly stretchy or punny use of our definition here. We're looking for something that you might splatter over dogs. But the wordplay is rats rolling in mud, and we could have made this much harder by requiring you to find a substitute for rats. So we could have said rodents rolling in mud. And we could have found a substitute for mud as well. I don't know, rodents rolling in hydrated dirt. I don't know, what's a substitute for mud? We could have found one, and that would have made it harder. Why didn't we do that? Well, first of all, sometimes we need some easy clues. No offense if you found this clue hard. This is on the easier end, I would say. But also, sometimes it's about the surface, and sometimes the quest to involve substitutions in order to make the clue harder diminishes the surface. Whereas this, I think by using these mainstream words like rats and mud, it keeps the surface very plain and very clean. And I think that is... You could go harder, but I think it would make the surface worse. So we went for an easier one, where we just take the word rats and it's rolling. It's reversed. We roll the word rats around, we reverse it, giving us S-T-A-R, and that just goes in mud. We put it in the word mud, giving us the word mustard, something that you might splatter on hot dogs.